Alright guys, today we talk about Hotel California. First of all, we need to put a capo on the 7th fret. The first chord is a B minor with the shape of E minor because we have the capo on the 7th fret. The second chord is F sharp 7 with the shape of B7. We start with the 4th string. Next chord is A sus2 with the shape of D sus2. Then we have E9 on G sharp. Next chord is G. With this hammer-on the 4th string. D major, starting with the open 4th string. E minor 7 with the shape of A minor 7. Again the F sharp 7 with the shape of B7. Okay guys, let's take a look to the first 8 bars. The first part starts with a very long slide. Then we have a bending from the 12th fret. So we go from the B note to D. Release, 3rd string, 9th fret. Then we have 3rd string, 7th fret and 9th fret. 2nd string, 8th fret. Again 3rd string, 7th fret and 4th string, 8th fret. Then we go on the 4th string, a 9th fret, and we have a hammer-on pull-off to the 7th fret of the 4th string, half bending with the index finger, which is not very common. Second part. Then we go on the 2nd string, 10th fret, full bending into the 1st string 10th fret. Next part. First string 7th fret and 2nd string 7th fret. Bending from the 10th fret of the 1st string. Bending on the 2nd string, 10th fret. Next part, starting from the 9th fret of the 3rd string. Another bending and release. There are a lot in this song. 1st string, 10th fret, and bending with release. Again. Next part, 3rd string, 7th fret. We have 7th fret and 9th fret. Then 2nd string, 7th fret, half bending. And then full bending from the 9th fret of the 3rd string. So let's repeat these first 8 bars with the help of the chart and the tabs.